Welcome to the Golf Spotlight. I'm Ralph Irvin, and today we are looking at the latest products from the great people at Bushnell. And to tell us all about them is National Sales Manager Jason Seaman. Jason, every year that we talk, there's something new that Bushnell comes out with, and I think what can be done better. And this year you've come up with an improvement on an already successful Tour V3 line with the Tour V4.
That's right. It's 30% smaller. It's twice as fast, has a new ergonomic kind of fit to it. Still has a pin with jolt. And one thing that we're really excited about this year is that the USGA has a ruling where if you can turn slope off, the Uno actually will be called conforming for the rules of golf.
That's the coolest part of it, because I know last year you introduced the Tour X that could swap between as long as you removed the one item. Now you can just slide a button.
Absolutely, and I think that's one of the things where if you're playing a course you've never played, you're playing a practice round, and you want to have that adjusted distance. So when you know if you're playing a par 3 and it's downhill, you're going to know the actual distance, but then the play has a distance. So it could be 152 yards, but since you're going downhill, it may be 147 yards. Now you're going to know that exact distance, and it's the same technology that the PGA Tour pros and caddies use, and basically when they're doing their practice rounds, they're writing all those yardages, all those adjusted distances in, and so now the everyday golfer can have those distances at the push of a button, and then if they play tournament golf, they can turn slope off, and then they'll have a conforming unit.
I don't think it can be overstated that this device is so much smaller and so light that people that walk the course are really going to appreciate it, because it's not going to be like a weight hanging from their back.
No, and that's the thing. Everyone's picked up and said it feels so light, and it fits so good in my hand, and it's so much easier to hold steady. And because of that, it's going to be easier to get smaller objects, whether it's a flag, a lip of a bunker on a par 5. So the design's really been a key feature to this product.
Now, we don't want to leave out the folks that prefer to use a GPS device. You have a new watch out there. I know I've used a Bushnell watch for a couple years now. This new watch is going to not only tell you the distances, it's going to tell you how far you've walked.
Absolutely. And so what's great about our new watch, the Neo Ion, is that it's lighter, it's thinner, it has the most comfortable dual injected silicone band. It's a watch you can wear all day long. Like you mentioned, it has a step counter, so when you're off the course, you can kind of figure out how far you're walking and keeping your fitness up. But then on the course, it's great. Has your front, center, back, 4 distances per hole. And it's been a great product for us.
Now, if people want more information about everything from Bushnell, because there's a lot more than we mentioned, where can they get it?
Bushnell Golf is the website to go to. You can get anything anything you need in terms of whether it's product information, features, benefits. Also, if you want to learn about the new USGA ruling and see if find out about that and the conforming with the slope technology, you can go right to bushnellgolf.com.
All right, thanks as always, Jason.
Thank you very much, Ralph.
I want to thank Jason Seaman for joining us here on the Golf Spotlight. Join us next time as we continue to give you the information that you need for your next golf purchase.